Hello everyone, today we're tackling a crucial step for any PC builder, ensuring RAM compatibility for your MSI MPG X870E Edge motherboard. Getting this right saves time and frustration, guaranteeing your system runs smoothly from day one. Let's dive into how to pick the perfect memory for your setup. First, understand that your MSI MPG X870E Edge is an AM5 platform board. This means it only supports DDR5 RAM. You cannot use DDR4 memory with this motherboard, so immediately filter out any DDR4 options. Next, the most vital step is checking MSI's qualified vendor list, or QVL. This is a list of memory kits that MSI has specifically tested and confirmed to work with your particular motherboard model. To find it, go to the official MSI website. Search for your specific motherboard model, the MSI MPG X870E Edge. Navigate to the Support or Compatibility section on its product page. Here you will find a link to download the QVL, often as a PDF file. Open this list and look for the RAM kits you are considering buying. If your desired RAM kit's model number is on this list, especially for the speed and capacity you want, you have a very high assurance of compatibility. Beyond the QVL, consider the RAM specifications. Pay close attention to the speed, measured in mt/s or megahertz, for example, DDR5-6000. While your motherboard supports various speeds, your CPU's integrated memory controller also plays a role. For AM5 Ryzen CPUs, speeds around DDR5-6000 are often considered the sweet spot for performance and stability. Also, check the capacity. Do you need 16 GB, 32 GB, or 64 GB? The QVL will show configurations like 2x16 GB or 4x16 GB, indicating how many sticks were tested. For optimal performance, it's generally recommended to stick with 2 RAM sticks, dual channel, rather than 4, especially if you're aiming for higher speeds, as 4 sticks can sometimes be harder for the memory controller to stabilize at extreme clock rates. Make sure the RAM form factor is DIMM, which is standard for desktop computers. You also want non-ECC, error correcting code, RAM for a consumer motherboard like this, as ECC memory is typically for server use. Finally, think about physical clearance. Some large CPU air coolers can overhang the RAM slots. Check the height of the RAM sticks you plan to buy and compare it with your CPU cooler's specifications to avoid any physical interference. By following these steps, checking for DDR5, consulting the MSI QVL, understanding speed and capacity, and considering physical fit, you'll confidently choose compatible RAM for your MSI MPG X870E Edge. Thank you so much for watching this guide. I hope it helps you build your perfect PC. If you found this information useful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more helpful tech tips and guides. Your support helps us create more content like this. We'll see you in the next one.